Parker Colbert, Speedo Cover Finish Network. So we got this 14 MDX with us today. Lady took it to a shop and she told him that she wanted the bumper touched up, and they took a paintbrush and just took some paint over the scratches. It's not what she wanted. She wanted the bumper fixed. So today we're going to go ahead, we're going to lightly sand down this, wet sand, with probably about 500 to 800 grit. We also got some scratches back here. We're going to wet sand everything out, smooth it all out, blend some base coat over it, and then re-clear everything and call it a day. A little update, so we got the base coat done. We blended it out, just kind of flicked the base coat out, and then we kind of went really light, as you see, around this edge so that there's not too much of a color difference. And then same thing with these scratches back here. We kind of just fanned a little base coat that way and fanned a little bit this way to kind of blend it out nice. So the customer vouched for an economy job, so we are going to be blending some clear coat into this bumper. So we're going to go to about right here with the clear coat, and then we're going to pull this off and spray our blender solution in there. See, we got an extremely high gloss on this. I love using this stuff. You know, you bang 2 coats on back to back, wet on wet, and it comes out amazing.